replacing the foam ear pad on this Plantronics headset, it's actually quite an easy job. What you've got is you've got the foam pad and it sits in a little groove. So over time obviously the foam wears out or deteriorates, so you can see this one here, it's had its day. So what we need to do is just gently grab the back of it, pull it forward and off, and the old foam pad will peel off. So there's no need for any tools or anything on this one. So once we've got it off, you have to be a little bit careful inside the earpiece behind the speaker. There's a few bits of electronics, so we don't want to be poking anything in there. So we just need to do that a little bit carefully. But now we'll go and put the new one on. Right, I've got a new foam earpiece here. Obviously you can feel that one against the old one and you can see how much the old one has deteriorated. So to get it on, you'll notice on the back of it there's a little ridge. So the small side goes in first, and it's a little bit like doing an old bike tyre. So you need to get one part in, and then when you've got that part in, just lift the next one round and ease it onto the cup. Okay, just make sure it's in all the way around. And we've got that seated, so that's quite an easy job now. And then we've replaced the foam on the earpiece. Okay, as always, thank you for watching, and if you can like and subscribe, that would be even better. Thank you.